Today I'm going to be creating a natural, neutral looking eye for you all. I'm going to be using shades from our Busy Gal Goals palette. Now, I have to say, I do love this palette because it is a full face palette. It has all these gorgeous, warm, neutral shades and some fun shimmers with like pops of pink and this gorgeous green right here. But it also has this beautiful, natural looking blush that is literally like the natural shade you would flush if you saw your crush. Then right here, we've got this beautiful highlighter that gives your skin this ethereal, lit from within glow. So I have to say, I love this palette so much because it is so versatile. You can create day looks, night looks, and everything in between. So I'm going to be creating a nice neutral eye for you, showing you how to create some shape and definition. Let's get started. I am going to start by taking this shade right here called On the Move, and we're going to apply this all into our crease. I love the way the shades blend thanks to the Amazonian clay. The clay gives the shadow that 12-hour power, and it's also packed with mineral pigments, which is why the colors are so beautiful, creamy, and vibrant. And we're just going to take the brush and softly blend out our crease. This is a great way to instantly give your eye shape. If you have hooded eyes, applying to the crease is a great way to add more definition. Now we're going to take that same shade and bring it along our lower lash line. Now we're going to do the same exact thing on the other eye. Just blend, blend, blend. I recommend using a tapered blending brush because it deposits the perfect amount of shadow. Now we're going to go into this matte terracotta shade called Role Model, and we're going to pick this up and we're going to pat it on the outer corner of the eyelid, just like this. Now I recommend pressing the shadow in because it gives you the most control to apply the shadow exactly where you want it. And then once you have it in place, go back to the fluffy blending brush and just softly blend it out up towards the crease. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other eye. I'm just going to pick up that matte shade, press it right in, and we're going to blend it out. I love warm tones. I feel like they're shades you would find in nature, so they really complement your natural features and coloring, much like your eye color or your hair color. Just softly blend. Blending does take time, so please don't rush through this part. When you blend, you really get that beautiful transition and that soft ombre effect. If you go too fast, it'll look muddy and patchy, and that's not what you want. Now picking up a clean blending brush, I'm going to go into that shimmer shade, Got This, and I'm going to pick a little bit up, tap off the excess, and we're going to apply it right to the inner corner of the eye. Notice how it just instantly illuminates, brightens, and opens the entire eye area. I love using shades like this. I think they're really beautiful, and I don't think they're too glittery, especially this one. I think it has more of a natural hue, and it really just complements all eye colors. Look how beautiful that looks. It just looks illuminated, awakened, and opened. Now I'm going to be topping off my Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. I love this mascara because it lengthens, it curls, it conditions, and it volumizes your lashes, so it really has the power to transform them. And they never look cakey or spidery. They look super fluffy and full. And that's exactly what we want from a mascara. This mascara also increases your lash curl by 35%. I also put a little bit on the outer corner of the lower lash line as well. Notice the difference. Look how much fuller, longer, and thicker my lashes look. I use this mascara every single day because it's also treating my lashes with provitamin B5, olive esters, and rice bran. And the rice bran is what gives your lashes that full, supple volume. Think about when you put rice in water, it instantly triples in size. And that's what that's going to do for your lashes. It's going to create that little cocoon of volume around each and every last lash. Okay, and we're done. I just love this look. I think it's super simple, but it's really pretty, and it just gives your eyes like a natural shape and dimension. And the mascara just makes your lashes look so sultry and full. So I cannot say enough good things about this mascara. It's just a favorite of mine. But let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you all again soon.